Good morning. I don't know if this will last, but I'm going to give it a shot. On the porch outside, all the dogs have their own chair, and hopefully they're all still sitting. Oh, Bean's not sitting in his chair. He follows me around like we are best friends. So maybe I can get him to go sit back in his chair. All right. Back in your chair, Beanie. Back in your chair. Go sit in your chair.
He'll get up there once you're sitting.
No, that's not your chair.
No.
Look, no. Now Lucy's getting out of her chair.
That's because you're standing up.
Oh, but she doesn't like to be on camera either.
No.
Get out of Coco's chair. See, you done messed up the whole camera shot. Bean, get in your chair. Bean, no. Bean, get in your chair. Thank you. So now Bean's in his chair. Thank you. You're possibly getting a haircut today. Coco's in his chair, waiting for a frog to come by. Lucy's stuck again. She gets that way. She just stares off into space, thinking about something. Probably a pork chop.
Probably bygone days when she could run the streets.
Yeah, when she was running with Delilah and Juno and what was the other little crappy dog's name?
Biscuit.
Yep, Biscuit. You remember Biscuit, Lucy? Yep. No, I wasn't calling you to breakfast. Anyway. And that's Lucy's barge. That's the Queen's barge. And of course, Coco and Bean's always licking something that he should not. Hey. That's rude. Hey, Beanie. Oh, and what? Coco. You're on camera, buddy. You don't need to be doing that. Hey, Coco. What? And he goes right back to it. Hey, Beanie, say good morning to people. Yeah, heck with that. Lucy. You used to say good morning. We used to do this every morning. Lucy, say good morning to everybody. Say good morning. Say good morning. I'll get you anyway. You're looking older than I am. Coco? Frog, Coco, look. There's a frog. Beanie. Beanie's dumber than a box of rocks. But he'll be your friend forever. I ain't gonna show you. You're trying to show all your parts. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, Lucy.
Okay, we have a goal for today, Matthew, if you feel like it. See that blue tarp out there? It needs to be stretched out so it will dry out.
Okay. That's Beanie's chair, Lucy. You have your own. Where are you going? Going back to your barge? Nope, she's going out. No, she's not. She hadn't decided yet. She just doesn't know. She just doesn't know. He knows. That's what he does all day long. Licks himself. And him. Oh, well. Yeah, and there she is. Well, I guess that's the end of that good morning video. Oh. Bean's interested to find out what Lucy's doing. Is there food involved? Should I go too? Nope. He's drinking out of the big barrel outside. Alright. Well, good morning. What was that song? What was that song back in the 50s or so? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. You look like a monkey and you belong in a zoo. That's not it. Alright. Anyway. Good morning.